Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Shiba Inu. And yes, Shiba Inu was pumping quite good in the past couple of days. We see a drop by almost around 30%. So I'm going to share some views, and we are also going to run through a Twitter post quick from the official channel of SHIB on Twitter, and probably put in my views on what would happen and what kind of price action we can expect in the coming days or coming months. So do watch this video till the end and hit the like button if you like this video, as well as subscribe to my channel for more such relevant content on cryptocurrencies as well as education on crypto. So having said that, this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, guys, and the same old disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so please do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space out there. Having said that, let's deep dive into what's happening with SHIB right now. We did have a good bull run in the last couple of days. We did see we reached all time, new all time highs, and SHIB did pump quite a bit, right? So it did pump quite a bit. Now, by all-time highs, I mean not compared to this. I wouldn't consider this an all-time high altogether at all. The main reason being it's just a hype train, and I would consider all-time highs over here when it's in the consolidation phase. So yes, we did have a massive bull run. In fact, it almost went up to 4 to 5 times or even more than that, if I'm not wrong. So it was a good bull run, and now from yesterday, it's been dumping down. So is this expected? Absolutely yes, it is expected. So just simple logic, guys. If at all you are an investor who had invested somewhere in this particular portion and you wanted to take off your profits or take off some of your earnings, you would definitely be selling at this point of time when it is actually reaching a good amount of peak. So this sell off will obviously be there, but what is good to see is that we might be having a new support at this particular price point once the consolidation kicks in. Now, will there be even more sell off? Yes, it might be leading to even more sell off. We might see it's finding support somewhere in the 20,000 range. That's my thought. But on the upper front, we might even find support at 27 or 28 range as such. So currently it's at 22. So we might find it at 20 or at 28. These are the two support levels which I'm thinking based on my analysis. Again, guys, these are my views. Okay, it might or might not happen, but again, these are the two support levels which I'm looking forward for right now in the short term. So once that consolidation kicks in, and then again a few more consolidation, few more days, or probably we don't know how long it would lead. But what is good to see is that now we are reaching a new support level. So the support level, as and when it keeps increasing, that would aid in terms of giving a good price action or a certain foundation for the next pump that would be coming. Now, let's get on to Twitter quick, and let me tell you what Twitter has to give us in terms of Shiba Inu update. And trust me, this is huge, guys. I never expected this coming, because we are proud to announce that we will be establishing a partnership with Now Payments. I mean, read it as partnership. Okay. now Payments.io will onboard the SHIB trifecta. That's the three tokens in the ecosystem: the leash, the bone, and SHIB, starting with SHIB burning a percentage on each transaction. More details to follow. Shibami, stay tuned. Woof. Now, this is really huge. It's huge in two ways. One, you're now able to use SHIB as payments, and two, you're burning SHIB for each and every transaction that you're making through nowpayments.io website. Now, how cool is that? Would you want more utility to add up? Well, you got it. And you wanted burn? Now you got it. Transaction based burn was not written into the contract. Now they wouldn't want to change that because it's renounced. Now you got it. Now this is what we have been all looking out for in terms of reduction of supply. And what would happen to the reduction of supply? Simple logic: if at all you are calculating the price point, guys, you take the fully diluted market cap, or with your total supply, or the current market cap with your circulating supply. As soon as the circulating supply drops down, so will your price increase. So it's in the denominator. The lesser the supply, the more will be the price. So that's how it is going to definitely impact. And moreover, burns are coming even through NFTs. If you have run through my earlier video of Shiboshis, I have clearly mentioned that each and every NFT that they will be selling out, it's a 10,000 NFT collection. And those NFTs, whenever you would want to rename them. So ideally they would be named as four zeros, one, two, three in digits. That's it. There will be no other naming for the Shiba Inu, the Shiboshis, I mean, as they call it, NFTs out there. So you would have to rename it to whatever you want or you feel like. So that gives you the sense of ownership, and that also gives the option of burning $100 for each and every renaming that happens for those 10,000 NFTs. So if all the 10,000 NFTs are going to be renamed, then it will be a burn of $1 million worth of SHIB. It's not 1 million SHIB, guys, it's $1 million worth of SHIB. So that's really huge, and that's a nice mechanism to go ahead and reduce your supply. And that's just the beginning, right? So the 10,000 NFTs are just the beginning. We are definitely going to see much more NFTs coming out, and with now payments now adding to the burn, well, this is going to add a whole new level of utility, as well as a whole new level of increasing the price point for Shiba Inu token. Now, for all those people who were waiting patiently in all these days, waiting for it to actually see the rise, waiting for all those announcements to come in, that's why I always keep telling you, when it's in a consolidation phase and you for a fact know that there is something happening behind the project, and if you trust in the project based on what your previous experiences or what the communication is happening between the from the project side as well, be it Satoshi's Medium articles right now, and see, they have been communicative, but they did not want to go ahead and over communicate stuff. So they only want to give you information what is needed, and probably spend a lot of time rather than on social medias to work on what the project is supposed to be doing, and the outcome of any product that they're planning to launch. Now that's something that I really like. They were giving us intermediary updates, and they were not too involved in the social platform. They only started focusing more on the end goal of getting the product ready, getting those NFTs out, all those things which are supposed to be done in the back end. They were more focused on the work, and I'm really thankful to each one, every one of them out there, whoever is working for the Shiba Inu community, be it the moderators, be it the developers, or be it the people who are in behind the development as well, and the planning and other stuff is what I meant. So to all those guys, a good heartful congratulations on getting this partnership also up and running, and also all the best for all future ventures. And yes, I have been invested in SHIP, but not so much, guys, to be frank. I'm a very small investor when it came to SHIP, because I got to know about it and I started purchasing SHIP only in the month of June. So if per se, I'm somewhat regretting it, if in case I did know about it, or probably had my hands on SHIP in say last year December or November, during the same time almost. So I would have been in a different tangent altogether right now. But nonetheless, much more brighter days to come for Shiba Inu token holders. So good to see the price action running, and do not worry about too much on the price drops, guys. This will eventually fade out, and what you're seeing now would not be the same price after the burn mechanism kicks in. So having said that, I'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button, and also comment below on what you feel the Shiba Inu token would be at the end of this year. The price point. What do you feel the price point would be for Shiba Inu token by the end of this year? So having said that, thank you. Subscribe to my channel and have fun, guys.